Hi, my name's Nick Cost, and I'm a urologist here at Children's Hospital Colorado. And I'm excited to have the opportunity to speak to you today about the launch of our robotic surgery program at Children's. The goals for this program are to provide cutting-edge care in the area of robotic surgery to children, adolescents, and young adults in our region. But it's not enough that we want to just provide this service as a clinical care. What we're looking to do is really lead the field of robotic surgery in this patient population. So that would include things like research, product development, and expanding and refining the indications for robotic surgery in kids, adolescents, and young adults. There are already slam dunk uses for the robotic surgery platform in kids. For example, as a urologist, we would commonly use this technology for a pyeloplasty. However, I think that there are ways that we could expand its use. As a urologist who's focused in urologic oncology, we can really learn a lot from the ways that robotics is used in adult urologic oncology and then adapt them to kids. I'm thinking of cases like adrenalectomies, partial nephrectomies, retroperitoneal lymph node dissections. These are kinds of cases that I'm already using the robotic surgery platform for in adults. It makes all the sense in the world to expand that to kids. So I think that there will be an opportunity for us to use this technology to provide high quality and safe care for these kids. The reality is that when we expand this technology into a new population, we have to answer to a higher bar. And so we're expecting to do this to a very high quality with extremely safe care. I'm excited to be part of Children's program, and like everything else at Children's, I'm sure it will be done extremely well. In conclusion, I'm excited to be part of the program here at Children's. I think like everything that we do at Children's, it will be done to a very high level. I would encourage you to reach out and learn more about the program either by visiting our website or calling our clinic. I'm excited to be part of this and look forward to where it may go. Thank you.